types of robots. So one is based on locomotion. Based on locomotion. So robots can be divided into different parts, different bases. The first one is based on locomotion. Easy, very easy, you will understand it. But you have to understand two things. One is what I am telling you, and then the reason behind it. In robotics, there is a lot of things behind. वो जो thought process है वो ज़्यादा important है. And you will realize that this entire chapter is going that way only. Let's say the easy one is static robot. Static robot or fixed robot, है ना? So robot which are fixed and static, they cannot move, they cannot change their position. और कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं इस रोबोट को? इंडस्ट्री. सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट और इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट में भी कौन सा रोबोट स्पेशली? असेंबली ऑपरेशन रोबोट. यू नो दैट? assembly robots. You just type about assembly robots on a Google, you will get the picture. Robots are placed in a stations. They are working on the assembly line. They are not moving. Rather, object is moving. Entire electronics and automobile sector work on that. ये जो मोबाइल बन के आपके हाथ में आया है ना, it's not human made. Now mobile and electronics is the number one industry which is using robots. पहले ऑटोमोबाइल था नंबर वन. सबसे ज्यादा रोबोट पहले कहां यूज होता था? ऑटोमोबाइल में. अभी सबसे ज्यादा कहां यूज हो रहा है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में. बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग मोर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स देन ऑटोमोबाइल. स्मार्ट वॉच से लेके मोबाइल फोन तक, लैपटॉप से लेके टैबलेट तक. सो इट्स लाइक assembly line is going on and they are putting the things together, and at the end of the assembly line the entire new mobile phone is ready. Robot don't need to move. Then we developed something called mobile robot. And mobile robots can be of two types. Wheeled one, and another one is called legged or paddled. Now बताओ where this can be used. Wheeled one. So wheeled one is good for warehouse robot. Warehouse robot, you know, because warehouses don't have steps and stairs. Warehouse में हो ही नहीं सकता. Big industrial warehouses जहाँ पे पूरी ट्रक और लॉरी अंदर चली जाती है, तो उसमें क्या स्टेप्स बना सकते हैं आप? बनेगा ही नहीं. It's always ground floor or ramp will be there. And there we are replacing small trolleys by robots. सामान को यहां से वहां लेके जाने के लिए क्या यूज कर रहे हैं हम? रोबोट्स. And one more place, hospital. Hospital robots. Are we having robots in hospital? Yes, we do have. We'll talk about examples too. So in hospital also you don't have steps, right? If there is a step, there is a ramp parallel to it. We have developed many robots which can, in a corona time we use many robots in hospitals, which has wheeled robot which can move around in a COVID ward, which can connect doctor and patient together without physically coming in contact with each other. Because COVID में क्या करना था? COVID में तो कोई ट्रीटमेंट था नहीं. COVID वार्ड में व्यक्ति है, the person is there and the doctor will do just, you know, fever है तो paracetamol, that's it. And if something is wrong beyond the point, then the ICU and everything will be. लेकिन leg robot was advancement. We wanted to have robot for human help. And human help means human being ने घर कैसा बनाया? अपने हिसाब से. लेकिन रोबोट अपने हिसाब से तो नहीं. Legged robot not. So robotics could never go beyond a certain point. It will not develop beyond a point unless we make legged robot. We have made legged robot. We'll talk about it. But where we can use it, legged robot? So for human habitat and working place. Now you tell me, our habitat or home and working place is plain area or it is uneven terrain? Uneven. क्योंकि हमने अपने पैर के हिसाब से बना लिया ना. स्टेप्स भी है तो कोई बात नहीं, ऊपर नीचे है तब भी कोई बात नहीं. On a road also, the pavement is a little higher than the road, because it's our physicality. And now we are making robot, and robot are there which can, accompany you, which can walk beside you. So that robot should be able to walk like you. That is why they elect robot. And even many countries are exploring robotics into the war field. So war field robot, war field में क्या रोबोट कैसा होगा? व्हील वाला रोबोट लेके जाएंगे उधर, तो गिरा रहेगा उधर, पड़ा रहेगा कहीं पे. वॉरफील्ड कैन नेवर बी स्मूथ, राइट? ऐसा तो नहीं इंडिया पाकिस्तान इज गोइंग टू वेज अ वॉर एंड इंडिया पाकिस्तान विल अग्री अपॉन इंटरनेशनल agreement, let's make a war field plain and simple, and then we are going to have a robotic fight on that. इससे बढ़िया क्रिकेट मैच खेलो, बढ़िया है, डिसाइड बाय दैट, है ना? So you are going to make a plain area, although the very concept of defense robot is wrong. It should not be there. I mean, robot should not kill the human being. We'll talk about that too. So that is based on locomotion.